launched Ascendra almost 4 months ago. But we would like to make the most out of this occasion. 4 months ago, we have witnessed the opening of this office. 4 months ago, we have officially launched our compensation plan, our turbo. We've officially launched our program, our products. But more importantly today is what we call product activation. Yung term pa lang, binago na natin. Because we want to stay relevant. Sabihin nyo, relevant.
Relevant.
So in Ascendra, because we're an MLM company solution, or we're an MLM solution company, we do not just focus on the ordinary. We want to be extraordinary.
Yeah.
And in as far as my experience is concerned, for the last 30 years, ngayon lang ako naka-experience ng product activation na ganito kabongga.
Wow.
From, the preparation. Eto, nangyari lang to nung birthday ko eh. May ganyan ako nung birthday ko, but can you imagine kayo, meron kang ganyan para, of course, may post ninyo sa social media. Of course, we appreciate all our media partners, the bloggers who are here to witness this wonderful event. But what we want to express and let you know, our dear partners and distributors, that as far as the management is concerned, we are not stopping. We keep on innovating. I am not yet in the liberty to tell you what's going to happen on October 26.
Wow.
But what's going to happen in October 26 will change the landscape of MLM in the whole Philippines.
Wow.
It's going to be mind-blowing. We are the front runner in this field sa bagong technology na to. We will be launching new products. Again, it's October 20, sabihin. Pero lahat ng pinapakita natin products, whether tangible or intangible, may mga ilo-launch din tayo intangibles this coming October 26. Matagal nyo nang hinahanap yun. What we want you to know is that ang mga products pinag-iisipang mabuti. And we would like to appreciate, of course, our CFO because she's been doing a lot of research and development way back. Kaya ang tawag niya sa mga products ito, particularly the bar diffusion, is her baby. Because she's been researching and looking for other active ingredients na pwedeng pagsama-samahin just to come up with barley fusion. We would like to come up with products that can really serve our customers well. Hindi yung nagbebenta lang tayo para kumita kayo ng retail profit. Ang gusto natin, long term, gusto natin merong retention sa customers, merong satisfaction, at saka gusto natin makarinig pa ng mga testimonies na katulad ni Vince na hindi na kailangan mag-take ng antibiotic lagi. Alright, we would like to, of course, help people na magkaroon ng improvement sa kanilang health, longevity, gusto natin mga bumata, gumanda, gusto natin magkaroon ng magandang protection ng maraming tao. And we're leading this, in this field, we are practically leading the way. Because again, maraming mga companies, they just launch products for the sake of launching, just for the sake that they can be called a direct sales company. But in Ascendra, we would like to make sure that when we come up with products, pinag-isipan, ni-research mabuti, at talagang magbibigay ng value for money sa ating customers. Because at the end of the day, it is the customers that we really serve. Sila yung talagang pinagsisilbihan natin. Because in the marketplace, if we are able to really give value, yung pagkita madali na. Yung gusto mong kitain sa compensation plan, sa turbo, and everything madali na, basta may bibigay tayong produkto na may value sa marketplace. And that's why we keep on innovating. We keep on thinking of ways to make your business easier. Again, baka kasi madulas ako and we're very excited. After October 26, your life in Ascendra will never be the same again. Your way of doing network after October 26 will never be the same again.
Wow.
Your manifestation, your goals, the realization of most of your dreams will never be the same after October 26. So watch out because, again, we are an MLM solution company. we give the value, ang Ascendra, ang partner mo sa pag-asenso. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our product division meeting. Thank you.